Verifying and maintaining asset inventory can be a heavy burden for today's tower owners and operators. With OpenTower IQ, automating the entire process of detection and identification is just a click away. Here we have a 3-legged lattice tower. With one click, OpenTower IQ automatically detects all mounts. The robust equipment library provides all associated manufacturer specifications. OpenTower IQ can also automatically detect all installed equipment, including antennas, RRUs, and more. Critical data can be extracted, such as centerline, azimuth, and mechanical tilt. Tower bracing can be detected, enabling detailed inventory and further structural analysis. Feed lines are also identified for further inspection. All of this can be done on all tower structures, including lattice, monopole, self-supported, and guide. How much time and money could you save by automatically detecting all crucial pieces of your tower assets? Set up a demo today at opentower.com.